Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add shared calendar in Outlook. It's pretty easy. Before you add shared calendar, you should have the permission of the person whose calendar you would like to add. So if you don't know the process, how they can share the calendar with you. So for that, what they can do, they can simply open their Outlook. They can click on this setting icon, then simply select the option calendar and you will see the option share calendar. And right here they'll able to select the calendar and simply click on the option share, and right here they'll able to enter the email address of yours like this, and they can also add multiple people if they want, but they just need to click on the option share in order to allow you to add their calendar on your Outlook. So this is the sending part. For the receiving part, you need to open your account, and on your account you will able to see the request. Like you need to open your inbox, look for the email. For some reason, if you're not able to see the mail, open junk email and you'll able to see the email. Like you can see we have this email, so we just need to basically accept the request in order to add that shared calendar in the Outlook. And there you go, the calendar is successfully added on our Outlook. You can click on this option to view your calendar, or alternatively you can click on this option calendar. Then right here you should be able to see your shared calendar. It is that easy to add shared calendar in Outlook. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.